It's a bill that opponents say is about mass deportation, but Governor Bill Haslam says the sanctuary city bill doesn't have much substance. News Channel 5's Kyle Horan joins us now. Kyle, this bill has been pretty controversial from the very beginning.
Right, and that's one of the reasons why the governor says he's going to do nothing. He says that people on both sides of this issue are overreacting, and so he's decided not to sign it.
On both sides, it stirred up what I think is some irrational fear.
Governor Haslam was holding no words back about what he thought about this year's so-called sanctuary city bill.
It's conveyed the idea that sanctuary cities exist in Tennessee right now, which they don't, and that they're currently allowed by law, which they are not.
He says fear that's unnecessary has taken grip on the communities of Tennessee. He says House Bill 2315 really doesn't do much. The bill would penalize cities that adopt policies barring federal immigration agents from detaining undocumented immigrants accused of crimes in the state. It does so by denying cities state funds. Haslam says it really just clarifies the state's current position on immigration and that local law enforcement already comply with federal immigration agents. And so he's decided to pass it by not signing it.
I definitely expected to see the opposite outcome.
People in the immigrant community agree this does make them fearful.
It's really hard to think about my family because we're a mixed status family.
DACA recipient Ana Gutierrez says this adds uncertainty to her life, and her parents were undocumented. She and others at the Tennessee Immigrant and Refugee Rights Coalition worry this is a green light for ICE agents. And even though Governor Haslam says this is a conversation that needs to go away, Gutierrez says the opposite is true.
This is the time to continue that conversation, and although it's a tough conversation, I think it's time to bring it up even more.
Yeah, and the governor called this a solution looking for a problem. He says that he doesn't believe it will have an impact on the state, but some wonder if it opens Tennessee up for lawsuits. Reporting live in Nashville, Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.